So let's get started. Now, we all know that community is something that more and more businesses are tapping into as a way to leverage their customer value. Now, what we're going to be going through this course is how you can connect your business objectives and build a community and manage an online community effectively, right? So first question, what is a community? And this definition is very important for us because we have this impression that community is something of a touchy-feely. It has this touchy-feely connotation, but that is a byproduct. That's not exactly what a community is. A community, by definition, is a segment of people who form relationships as a result of shared goals, experiences, and interests. Okay, the three important aspects here. Number one, a segment of people. So a community is a segment of people. Number two is the relationships, member to member relationships. Now we'll go into what's the difference between a community and an audience, and that's where this aspect is playing a very important role. And the third aspect in the definition of what is a community is a shared mutual interest, goal, or experience. I'll go over that once more. A community is a segment of people who builds relationships or forms relationships as a result of shared goals, interests, and experiences. Now, to put it simply, there's two things. One is a group of people, then there's some shared bond, and then that intersection of the Venn diagram is what your community is. Any group of people, then there's a shared bond or an interest or a goal, and then that intersection is your community. Now the question comes in, what is a community manager? Who are we? What are we trying to do here? Content creators are becoming community managers today. Social media managers of the past who used to manage your social media accounts, today they've become community managers. But what exactly does a community manager do? So earlier on, I was not too excited about the term community manager. I'd rather be something like a community leader, right? As content creators, we all want to be leaders and have followers with us. But as I started to learn more, I realized that community management is not about simply leading. That's one aspect of it. But more importantly, it's giving the opportunity or the environment, creating a healthy environment so that your members can connect and then they themselves can form leaders. So your job is to just create and set up an environment for your members to connect. And you're a facilitator and a felicitator. Okay, remember that, a facilitator and a felicitator. So community managers, they felicitate, they facilitate, they strengthen and encourage relationships, those member to member relationships within your members. And all of this, so that's one aspect of building a community. But why are we doing this? End of the day, it's about creating some form of business value. Why do most people come to a community in the first place? Think of when you do a quick Google search and you enter one of the discussion forums. Those are one of the earliest forms of communities online. We used to come online and engage with communities as a means to get some question answered or some form of information. Right? That's why we used to use those discussion forums. Those are the early days of building a community online. But the trick as a community manager is that when someone comes into a discussion forum or some form of an online forum, the trick is to interrupt them and make some form of a contribution or help that person who's come there just to collect information, help them find some form of an emotional and social connect, help them fulfill their social needs. I'll get more into this, but bear with me. The first few videos is just a little bit of theory, just to